if you would like to make some twisted or braided wire for your stained glass for either decorative work to use as hangers or for a little extra oomph and stiffness for hinge points, I'm going to show you how in 3 different ways. You can use 14, 16, 18, 20 pre-tinned copper wire. It doesn't matter. It all depends on how thick or how thin you want your final thing to be. If you're doing something that's going to be like a hanger, you're probably going to go with something a little bit thicker, closer to a 14 or a 16 gauge. If you're just doing it for something like cute and delicate and fun, you might go with an 18 or a 20 gauge. All the tools and supplies you need to make it are available in my shop, or if you're feeling a little lazy, I have pre-made in there as well. First up, you want to grab a length of wire, and we're going to cut it off. I'm going pretty short here so that you can view in camera view. You can make this as long or as short as you want to, depending on, I can't tell you precisely how long for your piece, because you can't just say double it or triple it. It's all going to depend on how tight you want those little twists to be. So whatever you're going for, go more than double and add some extra. First up, I'm going to show you the Morton Twister. We're going to take our twister here and thread the wire through that we folded in half, thread it through, and we're going to stick it in the vise. If you don't have a vise, you can enlist the help of a very strong friend and grab the closed or the open end here with like a channel locks or some kind of pliers and just be like, and hold on to it really tightly. Quick note, always remember your safety glasses. With the Morton Twister, you grab here with one hand, grab here with your other, and just twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist, 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 until you get it to where you like it. Pop it out of the vise, and then we are just going to cut it off of the end of the twister, and bada bing, we got ourselves some lovely twisted wire. Now we're going to use the drill. This is a little bit faster of a method, kind of. In order to get this in your drill, you want to grab your drill, and you're going to see there's this little nub in here on the side. It can come towards you or away from you. If you're looking on the left-hand side, you want it popped in. Make sure it's in. And you're going to hold on to this guy here. Chuck, I think. I don't freaking know. Who cares? And we're going to gently squeeze your drill until you see this guy start to open up. Then you're going to take your wire that you folded in half. You may have to pinch the end a little bit tightly so it can get in there. And now we are going to pop this dude back out this way so it's poking out from the left. Hold it in here while holding onto the chuck or whatever the heck it is. And we're going to slowly tighten it down. Make sure you got your safety glasses on, especially if you're using, whoops, you actually have to hold the chuck. There we go. Now it's tightening. Make sure you got your safety glasses on if you're doing this, especially with a longer wire, because it's going to be like all over the frickin' place. Make sure that this dude's sticking out to the left, so we're going to be turning the drill to the right, and we're going to gently squeeze the trigger, and we can watch it twist. Now we're all twisted up, and to remove it from the drill, we're going to go the opposite way of how we put it in. Pop this dude over so it's sticking out on the right side. Hold on to this dude, give it some squeezes, and bada bing, we're out. I wanted to figure out a method for people who neither had a Morton Twister nor a drill, so perhaps after one too many true crime video episodes, I have figured out the Garrot. Grab a dowel. This would probably work with like a marker or something as well, but you want something that's round on the end, and a little more time consuming than either of the other two, but just same thing. You have your open ends in the vise or with a strong friend holding on to it. You have your dowel through the folded in half round end here, and you just twist and twist and twist and twist and twist 1,200 million times until you eventually get yourself a piece of twisted wire. And just a quick note, regardless of which method you're using, you want to keep this as taut as you possibly can. Keep some, backward pressure on it a little bit. Don't be like yanking on it so you're not ripping it out of the vise or out of your friend's hand. But just try to keep it as straight as possible. Otherwise you may get some kind of twists instead of just here, I'll show you. It'll get a little funky like this, a little bent weird. So that's it. If you got any questions, let me know. In the meantime, peace, love, stained glass. Okay, bye.